Hey everyone, welcome to day number 2 of the Crypto and Forex Team Expansion Worldwide Bootcamp. And I want to hear in the chat, I want to see in the chat if you found day number 1 to be valuable. I know we have people watching this from around the world, but I want to know from you, do you find day number 1 to be valuable? You know, cryptocurrency. Davron came up and he shared some incredible stuff from each and every one of you guys. And I know that it really and truly broke down the basic fundamentals that you need to know about cryptocurrency. And I was watching it yesterday, and I want to make sure you know and understand Davron's profession is not a crypto expert. My profession is not a Forex expert. In anything, if anything, we are so far away from being an expert in that. I guess we just read enough blogs, studied enough videos, watched enough content, failed a lot of times to master it. We still haven't mastered it. We're learning every single day. And if anything, if you want to take a little page out of our book, I want to make sure that you start learning. There is no easy way out. There's no cheap way out. There's simply a way of learning your way to success. So yesterday, Davron came up and he spoke about creating an account with an exchange. In this case, if you're using Binance, he suggested Binance. You know, everyone on the call right now, have you created your free account with Binance? Can you comment in the chat below, yes or no? Because that really is step number 1. Step number 1 is for you to really go out there and create. I see yes, no, yes, yes, yes. Keep them coming. Every one of us would need to create our free account. Someone says yes, no, no, waiting to submit validation. That means you created your account. You're just waiting. Someone says yes 4 years ago. Someone says no. Guys, the very first step out of this entire call, it meant absolutely nothing if you didn't create an exchange account on an exchange. Now, you don't have to create it with Binance. I'm just giving an example. It could be any exchange in the world. As Davron mentioned, create your account and then verify your account so you have the highest level of verification. Once that is done, you would need to fund your account and simply follow the routine. And I know a lot of people are going to come up with the excuse, oh, I don't have the money to fund my account. Okay, no problem. But you got the education that you can start learning from right now. And you can start educating yourself. So the moment shows up when you need to buy the right cryptocurrencies, you already have it. Okay. Davron said some powerful stuff yesterday that I believe every one of you should go back to the Team Expansion Worldwide Facebook page and literally go out there and watch it. Okay. We're translating this in Portuguese, and I want to make sure that Leo is sorted out. Leo, let me know in the chat below, my brother, if you are sorted out with regards to the translation, if you're good with that so we can move forward. How do you know where to open your account? Well, you go to the website, www.binance.com or whatever website exchange you're going through, and you simply create your free account. Okay, you simply create your free account. So with that being said, today is a very special day. I wasn't able to join yesterday. Was it recorded? Of course, www.youtube.com. Type in Team Expansion Worldwide, and day number 1 is waiting for you, waiting for your team. In actual fact, every day from today, people are going to be joining your organization. When they join your organization, you want to make sure that weekend they take out 2 hours of the day. 1 hour to spend on day 1, 1 hour to spend on day 2. And they would understand everything they need to understand about the basic fundamentals on this space. So it was definitely recorded. I'm going to go into day number 2. And I'm so excited today to actually have you on for day number 2 on the Crypto and Forex Bootcamp, talking about Forex. Now, once again, I am definitely not an expert in the space. I want you to understand, Sachin Governed is only two months old in Forex. That's all I really am. 2 months old in Forex. Never ever done this in my entire life before. But I will tell you that, I have learned, and I'm continuously learning every single day. So I can tell you right now, you do not have to be a professional to master this space. You just need to start to master this space. So let's dig into it. I want to make sure that every one of you have a pen and a paper, so you're writing down notes, and we want to be able to really and truly give you the best understanding of everything. So that being said, these are the 3 M's of what I believe Igenius, our company, solves daily: making, managing, and multiplying your money. So when you speaking to friends and family members, when you showing the presentation, when you speaking to someone, when you're bringing it up and talking about it daily, I want you to use these 3 M's. And simply understanding that making, managing, and multiplying. I mean, we help people make more money, whether it's through the network marketing side or whether it's through cryptocurrency and Forex. Then we help you manage your money through Money Pro. Okay. And Money Pro is simply a program that is going to educate you on how to make, save, and multiply your money. And then multiplying it. The money you make, how about we help that money make you more money? Okay. I think that's so important, because making, managing, and multiplying, when someone asks me, Sachin Governor, what do you do for a living? My conversation is, I help people make, manage, and multiply their money. So that's a very good phrase that you can start utilizing in your conversations. Every person that ever joins Igenius, their very first 72 hours, like clockwork, should be to follow Market Pro. So on your back office, as you can see, being a member, you'd need to go to My Products. Under University, there's something, under Education, there's something called Market Pro. Once you click on that, you need to watch it religiously for the next 72 hours. It is so important that every person that joins Igenius watches Market Pro, because everything I'm about to teach you right now goes into a larger breakdown and understanding of Forex with Market Pro. So when I speak about signals and alerts, when I speak about the Forex market, financial market, everything is broken down into Market Pro. What I'm teaching you today is really a summary of what's been taught in depth in Market Pro. So if you haven't watched Market Pro yet, treat today like your first 72 hours. Once you're done watching Market Pro, your next step is to watch Forex Thrive. 72 hours spent. You don't have to watch it straight for 72 hours. Might be an hour a day, 2 hours a day, depending on you and your schedule. But you want to learn. So now you're already 6 days in and you've watched Market Pro and Forex Thrive, and you now know how to utilize the signals. And then lastly, 72 hours later, so from the 6th till the 9th day, you're watching Money Pro, which is how you manage your money. This is really what we all need to initialize in our business, what we need to be able to teach. This should be our mantra in our business. You get started off, you watch Market Pro, great. Message me once you're done. Like, message the person who enrolled you. 72 hours later, okay, you're done, great. Now you can start copying and pasting the signals and alerts because you're on the same page as us. Go watch Forex Thrive. You're done, great. Okay, now you understand more about what you're in, because really what we're in is an educational platform. And if you're uneducated, you will forever make uneducated decisions. If you're educated, you will forever make educated decisions. So what is Forex? Firstly, it's known as FX or Forex or even the currency market. It's a foreign exchange market. It is a global decentralized market for the trading of currencies. This market determines foreign exchange rates for every currency. It includes all aspects of buying, selling, and exchanging currencies at current or determined pricing. In actual fact, the markets are open Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. So weekends close. So the Forex market is open Monday to Friday. So when someone's ready to go out there and simply copy and paste signals and alerts, they can't do it on the weekends. The market's closed. It is a that for a moment. I want you to fathom. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm just quickly changing my hotspot. But can everyone in the chat below quickly comment 6.6 trillion? I want that to sink in for a moment. Can everyone comment 6.6 trillion? That's powerful, because some of us haven't even fathomed what we're sitting on. My friends, I have been in the space of network marketing for pretty much 10 years. And I have been a part of the travel industry, which is $7 trillion a year. $7 trillion a year. And now we're playing with a $6.6 trillion daily market. There's nothing in the world that comes close to this. So this is really our product. It's an education product on a $6.6 trillion per day market. So if you want to pique someone's interest, if you want to have a conversation with someone, you're already speaking about something that's got your back. The question is, do you understand what you're sitting on? The Forex markets are always quoted in pairs. And you will start to understand this very soon. I'll show you examples. By the way, every single question you're about to ask will be answered in this entire short PowerPoint. The price for a pair is how much of the quote currency it costs to buy 1 unit of the base currency. So let's get into this. Base currency is the first currency on the left, in this case, euro. Your quote currency is your US dollar. So in this case, they say the price for a pair is how much of the quote, the US dollar currency, it costs to buy 1 unit of the euro. So how many euro USD do you need to buy a euro? And it shows it 1,35 or 35361. So when you trade Forex, you're always buying one currency while selling the other. You're buying one currency whilst you're selling the other. So I want you to emphasize, I want to emphasize this one more time. The quote currency in this case is USD. So the quote currency is what it costs to buy a euro today. Okay, so I want to show you, when you're looking at the Igenius signals and alerts, which I'll even tell you just now how to get it, in the Telegram groups, this is how an alert would pop up. It would pretty much say EUR USD or AUD USD or USD CHF, and you pretty much need to understand what it is. So it's a US dollar buying the euro. It's a USD into the AUD, Australian dollars. CHF is a Swiss franc into the USD. So when you see something like this, there's a few things that you need to pause to understand. What are the two currencies within this alert? First, understand that. Then understand what are you selling, etc. I'll get to this entire image very soon. So know your symbols. And I just picked up a handful of them. You know, you want to understand what your symbols are. So when we talk about USD, we know it's US dollars. When we talk about EUR, we know it's a euro. When we talk about the JPY, you know it's a Japanese yen. The GBP is a pound sterling. AUD is Australian dollars. CAD is your Canadian dollars, and CHF is your Swiss franc. You might need to take a screenshot of this. You might need to write this down, because the better you understand this, the more you will understand the Forex market. What do you need to know to be successful at Forex? Well, firstly, know yourself. Define your risk tolerance carefully. Understand your needs. So if you know you need to make $1,000 a month, understand your desires, but also know what your needs are. So we spoke about this. The trading markets, the Forex market only opens Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday is 5 days. 5 days a week, 4 weeks in a month. It's only 20 trading days for the month, 20 days. So know yourself, then define your risk tolerance carefully, and then understand your needs within those 20 days. Plan your goals and stick to your plans. Pick your account type and leverage ratio in accordance with your needs and expectations. Do not add to a losing position. So if you see something in a deficit, if it's dropping, if it's in red, you don't want to fund it more and add more to it. Rather cut your losses. Walk away from it. Restrain your emotions. Guys, don't get emotionally attached to it. Like when you take a trade, and in the beginning, I recommend everyone utilize our signals, because when you use our signals and alerts, this is what I do. I take it, like I copy and paste. It might take 10 minutes for the week. And I literally exit the app, because I don't want to be emotionally attached to watching it go up and watching it go down. I have no control of the market. So you sitting there and monitoring it is only going to get you emotionally attached to it. It's like sitting in front of your bank account every single day and monitoring it and watching it going down, 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 down when the income shows up and your bills show out. Begin with small sums. Increase the size of your account through organic gains, not by greater deposits. Take notes. Study your success and failure. It's so important in the Forex market, financial markets, that you track down your history. Focus on a single currency pair. Expand as you better your skills. So in our signals and alerts, we give you gold, AUD, we have EUR, USD, the Swiss franc. We got all of these things, all these currencies, but I want you to understand that we have experts. We have a gold trader. He's an expert at that. All he really does is he researches the gold market. Euro, USD, all they do is simply execute on that market. So when you are taking trades, you're taking it based on the expert who's already done the analysis research for you. Guys, do what you understand. If you don't understand it, Market Pro, Forex Thrive, you bought that on any of the 4 memberships, start learning it. Don't strive to get rich quick. This is not a lottery ticket. This is not a get rich quick. This is not how can I make $1 million in a day off $100. This is understanding the markets before you go all in. Don't take random decisions. Don't like pretty much, sit there and say, okay, I'm going to go to market execution and just go up or down and guess. Don't do that, because that's the last thing you want to do. you would lose. There's a guarantee in that. And that's why I say to people, if you're not an expert, if you're not a professional, take the signals and alerts. You'll eventually get there. Choose your leverage wisely. I'll talk about the leverage very soon. Use your stop loss orders, SL. Whenever you see an SL abbreviation, it stands for stop loss. Develop a trading strategy. Okay. As I mentioned, 5 days in a week, 20 days in a month, know how much you're going to trade for the day. Once you hit that target, walk away, close the app. So here's some of the mistakes people make in the Forex market. They don't have a trading plan. It's a hidden hope for them. They risk too much on one trade. Never go all in on one trade. They're giving into emotions. Over trading means when you hit your target for the day, and maybe your target was $50 for the day, why would you want to go chase $100 or $1,000? You're done. I mean, if you hit your target, you're done. This is where it becomes greed. You move from appreciation to greed. No patience. Taking profits too early. You know, sometimes the trade is, you've already taken that signal alert, hits point A, now it's going to go to take profit one, and pretty much you are already trying to close it in a profit. Let it take the full trade, or if you're confident and want to walk away, do it, but literally close the app and not having a trading journal where you document pretty much everything. So what is a lot size? Because in the MetaTrader app, you would see this, okay? And as you can see on the far right-hand side, you know, the lot size is 3,96. That's a fairly decent lot size. That's big. That's a big lot size. I mean, right in the bottom, you're seeing 6,55. Well, let's dissect what is that portfolio. That's probably $100,000 portfolio. Well, that's why it can take the profits it's taking and making the losses it's making. So for everyone on this call, when you're taking a trade, you want to make sure your lot size. So as you can see, it's got that 0,10. You can make that into 0,10 or 0,01 or 0,001 or even 1,0. And remember something, the bigger the lot size, the higher the risk. The higher the wins, but the higher the losses too. So a lot size indicates the number of units of the base currency. Remember we talked about the base currency, in this case, euro. In a currency pair quotation, put differently, it is the number of base units that a Forex trader will buy and sell on how high and how low you want it to go. How much do you want it to move in the market? So just to put things in perspective, 100,000 units on the chart is like one lot. 10,000 units, 0,10 lots. 1,000 units, 0,01. As a beginner on this call today, I would suggest you start off with 0,01 lot. So when you go into your trading pattern, I want you to understand, let's go back here for a moment. Start off at 0,01. It's a good way to start off. As you build your account portfolio and you're more confident, then move it to 0,10. And then eventually move it to maybe 0,20 or 0,30 or 0,50 or 1, 0 or 1,0. Okay. What is MetaTrader for? Everyone right now, you should have MetaTrader downloaded on your phone, App Store, Play Store. MetaTrader 4, also known as MT4, is an electronic trading platform widely used by an online retail foreign exchange. Okay, it was developed by MetaQuote software and released in 2005. The software is licensed to a foreign exchange brokers who provide the software to their clients. So for example, you download MetaTrader. Once you download MetaTrader 4, you find a broker, you connect the broker account to your MetaTrader 4. So MetaTrader 4 is like your generic platform that every single trader in the world should download. then you find your broker. But if you want a demo account, you don't need a broker for now. And I recommend everyone on this call who's brand new and enroll brand new people to Igenius who have never traded their whole life, make sure you download MetaTrader 4 and create a demo account. We'll share everything with you right now. So once you've downloaded MetaTrader, your next step is to simply go out there and create, well, firstly on the bottom, you want to click on settings. Once you're done, you want to click on new account. Right in the top with this little green individual, green block. Okay. The next step after that is to simply go out there. And when you create a new account, you want to click on open a demo account. As you can see, top left hand side. Once you click open a demo account, it's then going to ask you to click on a company or a server name. So just click MetaQuotes demo. Once that's done, you now enter your information. So your name, your phone number, your email address, account type, let's keep it as Forex USD. Leverage, keep it as 1:100. And a deposit, you can choose whatever you want, whether it's a $10,000, $100,000, $1 million account. It's free. It's like Monopoly money. So once you create your demo account, immediately after that, you want to master the copy, paste, profit, repeat system. Okay. Someone asked, where do you find a broker? Remember, I told you every question you're about to ask is definitely going to be answered in the questions below or in the entire day 2. So copy, paste, profit, repeat. But before we do any of that, I want to be able to make sure that we go into this MetaTrader app, okay? And we download it, okay? So we download MetaTrader 4, we create our demo account, and I like everyone to create a demo account for their first 5 days at least. Monday to Friday, first 5 days in trading, maybe your first 10 days in trading before you even fund your own account with your own money, okay? Copy, paste, profit, repeat. How do you copy, paste, profit? Write this down. This is personally our major selling point with Igenius. But also, if we understand how simple it is, copy, paste, profit, repeat. Do it again and again and again. Teach people how to copy and paste and earn a profit. Copy, paste, profit, repeat. So this is such a simple phrase. How do you set your alerts up? How do you set your signals up? Well, you got to log into your back office, your igenius.biz back office. Far left-hand side, you would click My Products. Once you click My Products, you would then click something called Forex. Once you click Forex, under Forex, you'd be able to click Forex Thrive. When you click Forex Thrive, okay, as you see, this is going to pop up. Now, when this pops up, your next step is to click Telegram. Once you click Telegram, it's then going to take you to a Telegram chat. And in this Telegram chat, you're pretty much going to go out there and join a Telegram chat that sets your account up. So the very first step, once you do this, I'm actually going to be sharing my screen. Okay. This is my Telegram right now as we speak. So you will join a group called Alerts 1. Okay. Once you join Alerts 1, you would verify your account. You've got to put your Igenius ID and you're going to put your email address and they will communicate directly with you. It's all automated, very simple. I believe day one, when someone joins Igenius, they need to be able to do this. And now it's time for you to simply join the alerts. So I want to show you what the alerts are. So you got crypto core, which is all your cryptocurrency signals and alerts based on trading the market. So, you know, and I'll be very transparent with you. There's about 20 groups that you can join. I tried joining all 20. It messed with my mind because I had 101 alerts coming in every single moment of the day. And I was losing focus. So I exited everything and I joined the ones that I believe is a necessity. So let's talk about it. Under crypto core, as a beginner, there's nothing else for you to join. Under equity prime, as a beginner, there's nothing you should join. Under Forex Thrive, you want to be able to join the third one, which is called FX Pro Atlas, the fourth one, which is called FX Pro Alpha, the fifth one, which is called FX Pro Theta, and the next one is FX Pro IOTA. Once you simply download this or join it, it'll be on your Telegram. And provided you're an active member with Igenius, your groups will always remain active. The minute you're not active, you get kicked out of the groups because you're not a paid member anymore. Under Binary Pro, we can skip all of that. Under commodities, we can skip all of that. Under SK Live, we can skip all of that. Live sessions, I like to join the Bootcamp. And if you're an elite a member, you want to join the Elite Advantage. And under corporate communications, it's so important for you to join announcements and the last one being performance. Because every single month under performance, Igenius pretty much gives you a full breakdown of the full track record of all the signals from all the different groups. Okay. Now that I've joined all the groups, as you can see, they're right in the top. So what I like to do is I like to pin them to the top. So you pin the ones that is a necessity for you. So for example, I like pinning the announcements at Atlas, Alpha, Theta, and IOTA. So now that you are in all these different group chats, and by the way, if you are feeling that we're going a bit too fast, this is recorded. So please don't feel like you cannot pause it on the YouTube channel and watch it at any given point of the day. So now that you've joined the Telegram groups, how do you take a trade? I think that's the most important thing. People are wanting to ask, how do you take a trade? Well, very simple. How about I show you? Because I think that's the most important thing that every one of us wants to learn. So let's go out there and simply learn how to take a trade. So let's go to IOTA, because this is one of my favorite Telegram chats that simply gives you a lot of the alerts. So what we want to do is we want to look at this gold trade right here. And let's dissect it for a moment. It says gold. Buy limits, 1931,21. SL stands for stop loss. Okay. TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. What is that? I mean, that's confusing for the average person that sees this for the very first time. By the way, TP stands for take profit. Okay. Every trade that you take, you want to have these points. So you understand one trade will be the buy limit of 1931.21, utilizing the same stop loss and TP1, take profit 1. Once that trade is taken, if you want to take another trade with the same buy limit, the same stop loss, but TP2, you can do so. And again, TP3, and again, TP4. So it's all 4 different individual trades. So let me show it to you so we can utilize it. So I'd go to MetaTrader. for. This is my demo account. As you can see, I created it just before this call. I funded it with demo money, which is basically monopoly money, as you can see. Okay. I funded it with demo money, 100,000. Okay. Right in the far left, it says quotes. I'm going to go there. Remember, we're taking a gold trade. So what is gold? Gold is XAU/USD right in the bottom. If it's not on this little home page, there's a little plus button on the top right. You would just go there and you type in whatever you want. In this case, gold. And then you put a plus, add the plus, so it adds to your home page. In this case, XAU/USD is what we're trading. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to ask me to trade chart or details. I'm going to click trade. Okay. So this is what we spoke about. Obviously, there's no movement right now because today is Saturday. I mean, for today's Sunday, the markets are closed on weekends, so you can't take the trade until Monday to Friday. But we're going to plot everything in so you have an understanding of what we mean. So let's go back. It says gold buy limit 1931.21. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to type gold 1931.21. Comment in the chat if you know how to do that. Copy and paste the buy limit. Okay. Oh, by the way, my mistake. I did something wrong. Remember, it said buy limit 1931. See where it says instant execution right in the top. I need to click that. And once I click that, it's going to say buy limit or sell limit. Exactly what they told me to do, buy limit. I'm going to click buy limit. It's going to say price. So I'm going to copy the price. 1931.21. 1931.21. Comment in the chat below if every single one on this call can simply copy and paste that into price. I see yes, yes, sure I can do that. Yes, I can. Keep them coming. I want to show you how simple this is. So when we mean copy, paste, profit, repeat, that's what we mean. Stop loss. So I go back. Stop loss stands for SL, 1928,50, 1928,50. Very simple. It's copy paste system. TP1 is your take profit, 1933,21. So I go back, 1933,21. And that is it. I can't take the trade right now because the market's closed. It's weekend. But we forgot one thing. Right in the top under buy limit, it says 0,10. I'm a beginner. Let's just say I click on 0,01. I want to begin. I want to start. That's my lot size. Can everyone in the chat comment lot, L-O-T, lot size? My lot size is 0,01. I mean, you can put it as 0,10, you can put it as 1, you can put it as 10, you can put it as 20, you can lose all your money. It just depends on how much you have and how big you want to risk. So we start off with 0,01 and you place the trade. Unfortunately, we can't do that right now because the market's over. Now, once again, let's do another test. Go USD CAD. This is your CAD trade. Okay, so I'm going to go to quotes right in the bottom. Okay, USD CAD is the first, second, third, fourth one. If it's not on the home page, I would click add. Remember, it said buy at 1,250.20. So I'm going to change it to buy limit 1,250.20. Stop loss 1,245,20. 1,245.20. And remember, take profit 1 is 1,25220. 1,25220. Lot size 0,01. And hit the place button. Can't do it because the market's closed. Okay. By the way, this is an iPhone screen, so it looks a bit different from an Android device. An Android device is going to look more different. It's fine. It's the same thing. You just need to figure out where to put your take profits. And if you don't know where and how to, go to google.com and research it. Okay. Now, it's so important for you to share your results on our product info groups. So you literally go out there, and even if you're using a demo account, you take a screenshot, put it in the group, share your results. We're going to create a community, because this is only product info. Every one of you should be in the product info group. Choosing the right broker. Now, once again, I cannot recommend. I can't choose the broker for you. I can suggest it. But what you really need to do is you got to research, because Igenius is so powerful, and you'll see so many companies in the network marketing space, or even people ever ready to give you a broker with their affiliate link so they can make a percent. That's not bad, but Igenius doesn't do that. They don't want anything to do with your money. That is why I know 10 years from today, we'll have the conversation of us being here in Igenius. Because Igenius doesn't touch your money. They don't control your money. They don't need your money. They simply want you to do it on your own accord and your own control, which is so powerful. So many companies have their hands into your profits, have their hands into your every single cent you put in. So for South Africa, Vault Markets is what I use, but there's two other options. Most of Africa use GlobeX. North and South America, LQDFX or Forex.com. Europe, I believe, uses XNES, not UK. And then you can go to Google and research. Now, remember, when you research on Google and you type in best brokers in UK, the first few is an ad, a Google ad, where brokers pay so that their website goes to the top. Research, read a few blogs, find the most lucrative broker. This is your money that you're going to put in, so you need to have full control, and you need to be rest assured. Now, once again, once you find your broker, you attach it to the MetaTrader app. But in the meantime, I'm using a demo account. So I want to break this down, because I think this is so important. Having the right mindset with Igenius. Guys, there's really only 2 monthly fees. Choice is $99 a month, and Select Premium and Elite is $175 a month. But if you're in emerging markets like Africa and South America, Select and Choice is $99 a month, and Premium and Elite is $175 a month. So let's look at this $99 monthly fee. $99 a month. And I want you to shift your mindset, because when you're showing the Igenius presentation, when you're communicating with people, you want to understand how to help them make their money back every month. $99 a month. There's 5 trading days in a week. There's 4 weeks in a month. So I take the 20 trading days. I take my amount of 99. I divide it by 20. That's $4.90 per day. I need to help someone make $4.90 a day to pay their monthly fee of $99 a month. If they're on the 175, I'm taking 175 divided by 20. I need to help them make $8.75 per day. Can everyone in the chat comment? Wow. Because I just gave you a different perspective on how to look at helping someone simply go out there and make their money back. They don't have to recruit 4 people. They don't have to look at it any other way. If they're trading and making $4.90 a day, they're simply going to make their money back every month. If they are making $8.75 a day, they're going to make their one. Everyone should be on the Elite membership, because making $175 a month back, which is $8.75 a day, everyone can pay their monthly fee. This could be the most lucrative team in the world. This could be the most, highest retention growing team in the globe. Because if we understand with the signals and alerts, if someone can simply make more than what they spend every month, it is a no-brainer. When I show the presentation of someone on being a customer, I asked them, if you're making more than $99 a month, would you complain about paying a $99 monthly fee? They say no. I said, if you're making more than $175 a month, would you complain about paying more than $175 a month? Of course, no. It's a no-brainer. So all you got to do is make them think out of the box. And this is where you as a leader need to simply help someone, not just recruit 4 people so they don't pay a monthly fee, but start their account within their first 5 days. Because I recommend the first 5 days being a demo account. Master it. Take as many trades as you can in a demo account. Once you're done, let's move forward. Guys, by the way, I love the gold trades. I really do. It's a powerful, powerful, powerful expert behind that. Okay. Anything more than break even is a profitable month. The 5 rights in Forex: right knowledge and understanding. Where do you get that from? Market Pro and Forex Thrive. Right broker. Where do you get that from? The right research that you need to do. Right trading platform. You can use MetaTrader 4. Right mentor. Igenius, which we use the alerts, and Learn Live. By the way, Learn Live, every single day, there's a Learn Live. It's live where you can jump on and you can trade live with the expert. It's like a game. They have like 10-0 because the last 10 trades was wins, profitable trades. And the 5th right is the right software, Crypto Elite, which is an AI bot that trades. So it's crypto like what Davron shared in day 1, but it trades the crypto market. So with these 5 rights, I believe you can have a profitable trade, a profitable experience, and most importantly, an incredible journey with Igenius and Forex. Now, my friends, I want you to know, as we wrap up day number 2 on the 2-day free boot camp, I know for a fact, if you take everything you learned in day 1 and you take everything you learned in day 2, and you simply go and watch it again and again and again, and every brand new person you enroll, you make them that same weekend, like they might join next week, and that weekend will be their boot camp weekend that they start watching it. But you can master it, because I know the results are absolutely phenomenal. You know, for me, it's been an incredible journey of not knowing anything about Forex. And I'll tell you firsthand, my results have been absolutely ridiculous for someone that's an amateur. I showed someone my portfolio without mentioning the amount. I showed it to him, and he's a full-time Forex trader. I said, my friend, do you know that in 2 months I made more money than what you made in the whole year? And I'm not a trader, but I know how to copy paste profit. So if anything, you learn 2 things today. The 3 M's. 3 M's. Can everyone in this chat comment the 3 M's? What are the 3 M's? Tell me what the 3 M's are. Because now you're going to go out there and communicate these 3 M's to every conversation. Making money, managing money, multiplying money. And lastly, what is our alert system, mantra, and philosophy and quote that we say every single day that we help people? What do we do? What do we do? Copy, starts with copy with the signals and alerts, copy, paste, profit, repeat. Everyone put that in the chat. Copy, paste, profit. Copy, paste, profit. And that's it. Just learn those 2 philosophies and you keep repeating it. It's game over. And that is an end of day number 2 on the 2-day free bootcamp.